How to back up text messages from the LG Cosmos. The LG Cosmos provides a variety of backup and memory features. You can store pictures, sounds, and contacts on an external microSD card for easy transfer to a computer or other device. Text messages, however, are stored only on the phone's internal memory. In order to back up text messages on your LG Cosmos, you must send messages individually to an email address. 1. Select the Message tab on the home screen of the LG Cosmos. 2. Select the Messages option in the messaging menu. 3. Locate the message you wish to back up. 4. Open the message. 5. Select the Options tab on the right. 6. Select the Forward option. It should be the first item on the list of options. 7. Enter your email address in the forwarding screen. 8. Hit OK to send. Things needed: LG Cosmos,